Hey there, fellow explorers. Today, we're unveiling some of the most amazing travel gadgets that will take your adventures to the next level. Prepare for a thrilling ride packed with cutting-edge gear. Now, let's jump right in.
Are you seeking a travel solution that's both functional and stylish? The AIRWHEEL SE3S Smart Rideable Suitcase Electric Luggage Scooter is a must-consider option. Whether you are a frequent traveler or simply looking for an innovative luggage choice, this rideable suitcase offers dual-mode capabilities for seamless riding or towing. Its sturdy construction and generous storage capacity provide reliability on your journeys. Transition effortlessly from scooter mode to conventional luggage, adapting to any travel scenario. Crafted from high-quality materials, this suitcase ensures both durability and security, making it a versatile and trendy companion for modern travelers. With the OCTOPASS travel adapter, you've found the ultimate travel companion to energize your adventures. It seamlessly marries style and functionality in one package. This sleek and compact all-in-one charger transforms your journeys, equipped with international plug adapters, wireless charging, and a detachable 10,000 mAh power bank. Its vacuum absorption suction cups ensure stability and security during charging, whether at home or on the go. Safety is paramount, with features like auto-resetting fuses and built-in safety shutters. Combining convenience, versatility, and aesthetics, OCTOPASS emerges as a must-have accessory for travel aficionados and tech enthusiasts alike. The rolling square AIRCARD is a reliable solution to keep track of your wallet. It is an innovative wallet tracker that ensures you never misplace your wallet again. By seamlessly integrating into the Apple Find My network, this tracker ensures worldwide coverage for locating your wallet regardless of your location. Emitting a strong Bluetooth signal, nearby devices can easily pick it up, displaying its location on the Find My app. Beyond tracking, it functions as a digital business card, storing your contact and social media details for seamless networking. Its sleek design, advanced lost mode, and versatile attachment options make it an essential accessory for those valuing security and efficiency. Seeking a backpack that combines unmatched versatility and style to meet your diverse needs? Your quest ends with the GEARLAND 4D Pack, a groundbreaking solution catering to travelers, adventurers, and professionals alike. This backpack goes beyond the ordinary, providing 3 times the capacity of regular backpacks and suitcases through its ingenious top zipper airtight pouches. Crafted from TPU laminated 600D Oxford fabric and recycled materials, it marries durability with eco-consciousness. The GEARLAND 4D Pack takes the stress out of packing with its paracord straps, Velcro strips, and D-rings, ensuring organization and convenience like never before. On the lookout for a cutting-edge tool that seamlessly fuses convenience and innovation? Your search concludes with the MAGCUTOR from Gadget, on an unparalleled solution catering to all your cutting needs during your adventures. Featuring a magnetic quick-release mechanism, this tool's compact and lightweight nature allows for effortless portability wherever you venture. Its robust construction, featuring custom ultra-strong magnets and a replaceable Grade 5 titanium blade, guarantees durability and longevity. When affixed to your keychain or bag, the MAGCUTOR boasts a blend of sleek minimalism and functional design, granting swift access for all your cutting needs. Are you uniquely seeking a travel companion that combines functionality with style? The SCOTTEVEST Revolution 2.0 jacket is the answer. With more than 25 hidden pockets, this jacket allows you to carry all your essentials while keeping you comfortable and connected on your journeys. Perfect for travelers, hikers, and anyone who values convenience, this machine-washable jacket eliminates the need for bulky bags. Its durable design ensures longevity, while its practicality and sleek appearance make it a game-changer for those who crave effortless organization and comfort, right at their fingertip. The ALLROUNDO Pro Modular Power Bank is an all-in-one power solution for your on-the-go needs. This versatile device stands out with its bidirectional ecosystem, modular design, and various charging options, including MagSafe compatibility, wireless charging, fast charging, and a rotatable phone grip. Say goodbye to cable clutter, as this compact power bank offers seamless charging for all your devices. With its game-changing features and portability, the ALLROUNDO Pro is the ultimate companion for those who value convenience and efficiency in a single package. If you're seeking an exceptionally convenient way to elevate your tablet or phone experience during travels, the WIXGEAR tablet phone mount is your answer. Be it navigating the skies or stationed at your workspace, this hands-free essential becomes your travel companion. Its robust clamping mechanism and versatile 360 degrees rotation ensure your device is held securely, allowing you to effortlessly enjoy watching videos or reading during flights. The compact pocket-sized design ensures easy storage, and the silicone grips guarantee a steady and scratch-free hold. The NETGEAR NIGHTHAWK M6 Pro mobile router is a uniquely reliable and lightning-fast internet solution for your business trips or vacations. Delivering an unmatched level of connectivity, it achieves 5G speeds of up to 8 Gbps and Wi-Fi speeds of up to 3.6 Gbps, supporting connections for up to 32 devices and extending Wi-Fi coverage across 1,000 square feet. This router guarantees uninterrupted internet access on the go. Its international roaming support spans over 125 countries, offering secure and private Wi-Fi connections. The 13-hour battery life guarantees uninterrupted connectivity, making it an essential for businesses, travelers, and remote workers in need of exceptional performance and coverage. In pursuit of an exceptionally robust and reliable language translation solution for your travels, look no further than the DODODUCK 3 Plus language translator. Catering to the needs of every traveler, it offers swift and accurate offline translation in 12 languages, complemented by real-time online translation in 107 languages. Its high-resolution image translation and AI assistant features enhance its versatility. With a substantial battery capacity and a complimentary replacement warranty, it stands as a top-notch choice for travelers who prioritize convenience and effectiveness. Embark on a journey of intelligent and fashionable privacy with the TROVA Go biometric stash case. This discreet and secure case provides a safe haven for your valuables, ensuring peace of mind throughout your travels. With biometric scanning and Bluetooth connectivity, only authorized users can access its contents. Available in a range of sleek designs, this pocket-friendly device is ideal for safeguarding jewelry, prescription meds, and other discreet items. Elevate your confidence with TROVA Go's intelligent storage solution. The Travel INSPIRA luggage scale is the solution you need to avoid unexpected overweight baggage charges. With a 110 pounds max capacity, clear backlight LCD display, and rubberized handle for comfortable grip, this portable digital hanging baggage scale ensures accuracy even in dim lighting. Its data lock function and tear feature provide efficient reading and continuous weighing. Conveniently lightweight and designed to fit any luggage handle, this scale comes with a 2-year limited warranty and is a must-have for travelers, hikers, and anyone who frequently ships packages. In pursuit of the ultimate EDC device storage solution, your search concludes with the SHARGE disk. This portable M.2 non-volatile memory express SSD boasts a whopping 2 TB capacity and impressive read/write speeds of up to 1,000 MB per second. Its compact design, weighing just 24 grams, ensures easy portability, whether in your pocket or on your keychain. The built-in active heat dissipation system guarantees data protection by preventing overheating, while hardware write protection and cable-free connectivity enhance security. With lightning-fast performance and reliable durability, the SHARGE disk is an essential companion for anyone on the go, ensuring a seamless and secure storage experience. The JOBY GRIPTIGHT 1 Micro Stand is a reliable smartphone stand for capturing moments or enjoying multimedia. This portable and versatile accessory ensures a secure grip for your smartphone, whether you're taking photos or watching content. Its compact and foldable design allows for easy pocket carry, and it accommodates most smartphones with or without a case. The quick-release stainless steel spring ensures a stable hold, while the metal folding tripod and positioning ball head provide steady support, making it an essential tool for enhancing your smartphone experience. Before you pack your bags, tell us which of these travel gadgets will become your adventure companion. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel-savvy insights and tech trends.